I'm doing a tutorial on how to put a prepaid Visa gift card on your PayPal account. This was surprisingly something that I struggled with when a customer made payment using a prepaid gift card. But once you get the hang of it and learn how it works, it is pretty simple and quite easy. So I thought it would benefit you guys if I showed you how. So most people's natural instinct would be to go directly to the PayPal website and click on link a card. But even if you go to prepaid gift card and enter the information on the card, they do not let you link it because there is no way to verify it. With a credit card, of course, they put on your name and your address and your other information. And if that matches with the information on your PayPal account, they will let you link it. But with a gift card, they normally do not do this. And so therefore they do not. But the way that I found around this is basically to make a purchase from yourself, which is kind of funny. But basically, you enter PayPal Buy Now into the search bar and click on this first result. And then they do walk you through, and a quick tutorial can be found if you want to read it. But if you go to create your button now through this website, you can basically put a button so that the customer can click it and easily pay you if you're making a sale to them. So for the purpose of this, I'm just gonna say item name, payment, price 25 US dollars, why not? And then shipping 0, tax rate 0 for the purpose of this tutorial. You can make it a different one, but since you're making the purchase from yourself, it doesn't really matter. So then you create the button, you click that, and it's as simple as that. They give you this huge coding link. So I'm just going to select all of that and copy it. And then if you you can go to any sites such as Text Wrangler to code. But what I used in my web design class was HTML editing on Google Drive. It's really easy to use. So once this loads, just paste all of that coding from the PayPal Buy It Now button. Try again. Yeah. And you type in all of that coding and you come up, they show you the what's going to show up on the website. You can just click that website link and then they show you the buy now button. So then from there, so this button is basically made for you to make sales to other people and to make it easy for them to pay you through PayPal or their bank account or their credit card or whatever. But you can pretty much manipulate the system to just pay yourself and make a purchase from yourself. So go here, click on prepaid gift card since that is what you're trying to link. And you can enter in all of that information of that gift card and then pay yourself.